friends, welcome to our channel, The Trend Finder. So, here in our channel, we'll be sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels every day for you to trade and the intraday setups for you to help with the trade in tomorrow. After the market close, we'll be sharing a video every day with few of the intraday stocks. And in today's video, I'll be sharing some positional setups for you to trade in futures and options for the next week. I hope you will find this video useful, friends. If it is useful, please do subscribe to our channel and give a like, and please watch the video until the end. So in today's video, I'll be sharing some F&O names which can potentially give you around 3 to 5% in a week or 10 days of time. So just a disclaimer, all the information that I am sharing is only for educational purposes and we are not related to any of your profit or loss. So please consult your financial advisor and trade accordingly. So all these stocks are for swing trades. So if you are an future and options player, you can play with futures in small quantities based on your risk. And if you are a stock player, you can buy a couple of stocks and hold them for 3 to 5% of gains. So the first stock in our radar today is Axis Bank. So if you look at the Axis Bank 1 hour chart, so you can clearly see a breakout in the pattern of Axis Bank. So the breakout has come on last week. So this is a good position to enter the long trade above this particular level. So if on Monday or in the coming week, stock moves above this particular level, which is 442, go long in Axis Bank within targets of 455. Keep your SL below this particular trend line, which is 438, and please do trail your stop loss. And the next video in our the next stock in our radar is M&M Finance. So if you look at the 1 hour chart for M&M Finance, you can clearly see there is a breakout last week in M&M Finance. So this particular level that I'm talking about. So 127 has been acting as a resistance for quite some days. So, and there was a breakout on the last trading session. So whenever during the next week, if you find any dip towards 127, buy the stock with an SL of 125 or 125.5, go long for targets of 135 and 137. So I'm just repeating, all these are based on your risk and we are not responsible for your profit and loss. So the next stock in our radar is SBI. So even SBI, if you clearly see this particular level 188 has been acting as a resistance, and you can see this pattern of inverted head and shoulders. So this is a shoulder, this is a head, and this is another shoulder. So the possible moves for SBI are up. Just keep an SL, if you can bear, just keep an SL below 187 else you can have an SL around 188 also and play safe. Go long for targets of 195. All these targets are positional, friends. These are not intraday. All the setups that I'm sharing are positional setups. For intraday setup, you can watch our other video, the stocks for intraday. Go long for targets of 195 and 200 in SBI. So the next stock in our radar is Grasim, friends. So even in Grasim, you can clearly see this particular level, which was say 750, which was acting as a resistance, and the stock broke this level on the last trading session. So even this pattern looks similar to your inverted head and shoulders. Go long above this particular level. Go long above 750 for the future targets and just keep an SL below 745 in Grasim. Please do trail your SLs and start booking your profits around 3 to 5% of gains. The next stock is Pidilite. So if you look at this Pidilite also, you can clearly see this level was acting as a resistance level 1455, and in the last week the stock broke this particular level. Now it is ready for further up move. You can see targets of around 1500 in Pidilite in the coming days. This can be your first target 14883, and your next target can be 1510. Just keep an SL below 1450, friends. So that is all for the next week setup. Reminding you again that these are all positional trades. These are not intraday trades. So play as per your risk. If you are a future and option trader, please play safe. If you are buying in cash, friends, you can simply buy say 100 quantity and hold them for a week. You'll get around 2 to I'd say 3 to 5% of gains. I hope this video is useful to you, friends. If so, please subscribe to our channel so that we can keep posting new videos every week. So we are starting this as a series, so we'll try to post the positional setups every week so that you can gain a minimum of 3% weekly. Thank you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe.